Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to replace text from file Async API in JavaScript using PDF.co web API. You can see link of full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Here's the sample PDF that we're going to use, and replace the text your company name. So, let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Next, enter the JavaScript sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. In line 13, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 17, input your source PDF file name. Then, type in your desired output file name. For async, set it into true. For search string, input the text you'd like to be replaced. For replace string, add the new text. After setting up the code, you may now run the program. In your terminal, type npm install request module for file upload. Then, type node app.js to send a request. Once the program runs successfully, it will return the job ID, display the timestamp, and the output file. Let's check the folder to see the result. Here's the output that we successfully replaced text from file. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.